Today is all about wrench organization. I have several different options here. Some I really like, some I dislike, and one of them I love. This one organizer really changed the layout of my whole box. So let's get into it. First one I got is the old wrench rolls. They work pretty well. Not the best for in your box, but if you're on the go or you have a box in your truck or some equipment, they work perfectly. The next one is the traditional wrench rack. Love them. They work well. Nothing really you can complain about them. They're not the best for space saving, but they work very well. Always a good option. The next one is just what I consider a wrench rail. They work very well. My only complaint about them is sometimes if you remove a lot of your wrenches, they'll tip over. But they do make ones that have double stick tape or magnets on them. Mine just never have. I've been using a combination of these wrench rails and the wrench racks pretty much for the last 5-10 years. The next thing is like your stock configuration, which I consider like these plastic trays that the icons, the snap-ons come in. These Craftsman come in a nice little case. I think Mac also comes in these things. These cases from Craftsman and Mac are good. I really like them. Now, are they the best case for your everyday in your box in and out wrenches? Probably not. But if you ever need wrenches on the go, these cases are awesome. The next option is what I consider your more modular kind of options, all right? You got your tool widgets, you got your Alien Space Saver, and your Ernst/Tekton. To me, these are all really good when you have limited space and you need to get as many wrenches as possible in a box. Out of these three, I'd rank the tool widget in third, just because they're pricey for what you get, and they're just, to me, just very cheap and chintzy. Like, I've never been a fan of them. I've had them since I first seen them on social media, probably like 5 years ago. For me, they don't work well, all right? They're kind of gimmicky. They're very expensive to actually fill out a box with them. I think the orange thing, I know people love them, but to me, the orange thing is really gimmicky. If you can't look in your box and tell that something's missing, that's on you. But either way, not a big fan of them. These Tektons, I have just got these. I haven't used them really. I think they work very well for what they are. They're also, again, they seem a little flimsy, a little cheap. It looks like they got a spot on the bottom where you could get a magnet in them if you wanted to, but they don't come with magnets. Not a bad setup, especially for space saving. They save a lot more space than your tool widgets, which I like to save as much space as I can because I'm limited, especially in this mobile box. I would put these Tektons at number 2. Now for number 1, it's the Alien Space Saver. This setup is awesome. Complete gold. Best wrench organizer I've ever had. The thing is completely modular, just perfect for me, all right? It's a very simple setup. You have these 2 rods and a bunch of these dividers, and you just snap the dividers on in between your wrenches, basically making a rail. At first, I was a little scared about these dividers. I thought they were 3D printed. I hate 3D printed stuff for the most part, but I came to find out that they're actually injection molded, which is awesome. They work really well. I've had these on and off several times just trying to reorganize my box. Never had a problem with them yet. It cost me about $100 to do both my drawers in this box. Totally worth it. All right, here's what my drawers looked like before. Pretty well organized. I was happy with them. I couldn't fit everything I wanted to fit in them, but it worked out pretty well. Now look at these. Way nicer. I got 2 sets of combo wrenches in here. I got 2 sets of ratcheting wrenches, and I also got my flare wrenches in here. This wrench box is so well organized right now. I'm just ecstatic about it. The Alien Space Saver to me is the best organizer I've ever used. It let me get a full another set of wrenches in my mobile box. I found these by a viewer recommending them. I don't remember your name, but I appreciate it. This is awesome. I love it. I can't even say how much I love it, but I love it. My only complaint with the Space Saver, which ain't really a complaint of mine, but it might be a complaint to you, is it stores the wrenches completely vertical. So if you're in the lower drawers, you can't see the numbers worth the dang, all right? The Tektons store them kind of at an angle, and you can see the sizes better. And really, you're not giving up that much more space necessarily. Over here, from 5/16 to 1 inch, I'm at 7 3/4 of an inch. Over here, from 5/16 to 1 inch, I'm at 8 1/2. So you're saving about 3/4 of an inch with the Alien Space Saver, but you are losing the visibility of your sizes. I think this Tekton Ernst, very viable option. I just prefer the Space Saver. I just want to be clear, I'm not affiliated with anybody. I bought this all myself. I just really love the Space Savers. If you want to see a little bit more on the Space Saver, let me know. I can do a whole video on that. Either way, I don't think you're wrong with the tekton or the Space Saver. I think both of them are very good options. If the vertical wrench thing bothers you, buy the tekton in my opinion. If space means everything, Space Saver is going to be a little bit better. All right. I'll stay away from the tool widget. That's just my opinion. I know a lot of people love these things, but it is what it is. Have a great day.